Guys, welcome to EIKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration it would be the following information. A table has been given, and the table it is spot rate for $1 which would be 48.0123, and then 180 days forward, that is which might be 6 months forward of USD dollar would be 48.819, and annualized interest rate for 6 months would be 12%, and rupee annualized interest rate for 6 months for US dollar. So the first one would be rupees and second one would be US dollar, which is 8%. Is there any arbitrage possibility? If yes, how an arbitrage can take advantage of the situation if he is willing to borrow 40 lakh or 83,312. Guys, here we have a question containing these requirement, that if there is any arbitrage opportunity exist, and if there is any arbitrage opportunity, how will take advantage for that arbitrage opportunities. So going ahead with the solution, we have direct cash flow has been given. The forward exchange rate would be 48.819. For the above forward rate, the theoretical price for 6 months interest rate for rupees, it would be forward rate into 1 plus the interest rate of rupees into number of months divided by interest rate of dollar plus 1, sorry, into 1 plus forward rate into 1 plus the interest rate into number of months minus 1 will give you the forward interest rate. Therefore the forward interest rate will be 48.819 into 1.08 into 6 by 12 divided by 48.0123 minus 1 will give you an interest rate of 5.75. So the annual interest rate would be 5.75 into 12 by 6, which gives you an amount of 11.5%. Prevailing interest rate would be 12%. So in that scenario, when we check this 11.5 and 12%, in comparison of the theoretical forward rate, the actual price is higher. So therefore the money will flow to India. So the scenario or the situation, we can take the advantage of the situation by uh, by taking an investment decision. So since the theoretical interest rate and the actual interest rate has a difference, arbitrage possibility exists by borrowing in USD and investing in Indian rupee. Over here, since we have theoretical interest rate, the actual interest rate is higher. Therefore, so sorry, the theoretical interest rate is higher when compared to actual. We need to borrow from USD, which means US, and we need to invest in Indian rupee. So in that scenario, first we need to borrow rupees. It would be 83,312, which is given in the question at 8% interest. So, and after borrowing such amount, we need to convert it into INR, which will be 83.312 multiplied by 48.0223. So this is a spot rate. So it will be 40 lakh. After that, we need to invest such 40 lakh in Indian interest rate, which will be 12% for 6 months. So after 6 months, the maturity value of rupee deposit amount received will be 40,000 into 1 plus interest rate, which gives you 40 lakh into 1.12 into 6 by 12, which will be 42,000, 40,000. So after 6 months, we need to convert it back to USD with the spot forward price. So the forward price would be 48.819. Therefore 42 lakh 40,000 divided by 48.819, which gives you 86,831.43. After that, we need to repay such loan taken from the USD. So the loan amount will be 83,302 into the 1 plus the interest rate for 6 months. It will be 1.08 into 6 by 12, and the final amount would be 86,644.88. So when we check over here, the commission of the maturity, the conversion of the maturity less loan repaid. So the amount would be 86,851.43 minus USD 86,614.48. So there will be a difference of 206.95 US dollar, or 10,103 rupees. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example and how we can take advantage on arbitrage opportunities. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe.